Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply store promotional mails in Gmail by disable this simple setting. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Gmail. I'm going to click on here, open up my Gmail account. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to settings. Then select your email ID. Then select inbox category. And the next thing you need to do is to disable this. So just click on that. It's as simple as that. By disable this promotion section, it simply means that all marketing mails, interesting mails, social and political courses, and other promotional emails will not be sent to your Gmail ID any longer. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.